Good morning, dear children. Now we are going to start with, as we are done with the subjective 2 and examination of subjective assessment 2, and now we will be moving towards our next preparation and with the further topics. This new chapter, we are going to start with chapter 12, Journey to Space and the Moon. Now, Journey to Space and the Moon. This chapter will tell you about the journey from space, universe, the star, the moon, the sun, and the various people, the astronauts. Astronauts are the people who have gone into space. So, the various people who have been to space. So, this chapter is basically we will learn about the space. What is space? Space is the outermost place in which the earth is there. The universe is a part of this space, and in a universe is made up of the planets, the sun, the star, and the moon. The astronauts, people who go to space or in the universe with a special you can say special jet, or a kind of a special plane which is called spaceship. Now, moon, star, and planets. You all know Earth is a planet. We have our own moon, and then there are so many stars at night. We can see them in the sky. Then we'll be learning about the space suit. Space suit is the suit which is worn by the astronauts when they go to space in the spaceship. Okay. So for you, a small homework will be to draw. Can you see this beautiful moon on page 91? Yes. So on page 91, you have to draw this beautiful moon in your copy. I already told you to read the chapter. So we'll be reading this chapter. I'll just read a small part of it and then we'll be continuing in the next class. We live on the earth. Where do we live? We live on the planet Earth. There is a vast area around the earth which is called space. Now there is a vast area around the earth is called space. When we look up to the sky, what we see is actually space. Now when we look up to the sky, what we see actually is space. Many stars, planets, and moon exist in this space. Now, as we all exist on this earth, we have many other people who live on the earth similarly. Like when we look at the sky, we actually see the space, and this space contains lot of stars. You know, sun is also a star. You know? So, along with sun, there are so many stars. You can see at night the sky is full of stars. So, the space contains of many stars, planets. You know, there are 9 planets, and moons. Not only one are moon. There are so many moon. Every planet have their moon, and not every. Maybe some are, one or two are not having the moon, but the planets have their moon, and some even have more than one, two, three, four, five, or even 10 moons. So these are the different things that exist in this space. The vast space, along with the star, moon, and planet, is called the universe. Now, this vast space is called the universe. Scientists who go into space are called astronauts. So, who are called astronauts? Scientists who go into space are called astronauts. Yuri Gagarin Yuri Gagarin of Russia was the first man to go into space. Now, the first man to go into space was Yuri Gagarin. He is an astronaut. Now, we'll be reading about the different astronauts in the next class. Till then, take care, children. And again, I repeat, draw this beautiful moon on page 91 in your copy with the name of the chapter. And we'll be further completing the chapter in the next class. Till then, take care, children. Bye.